Hello everyone, I am health and sport expert. In today's modern life, we all face diseases related to bone and joints, especially through the elderly people. So, what is the causes of these kind of diseases? The main cause of osteoarthritis in the elderly people is aging process. As age increases, the ability of bone and joints tissues to regenerate and repair also decreases. This leading it to the pains in the joint. So what is the solution to prevent these kind of diseases? Allow me to introduce you with a solution, Zextra Sure colostrum. This is a new product recommended by so many experts. Zextra Sure osteoarthritis colostrum is using polycan technology and also colostrum imported directly from the US with FDA and HALA certificate to reduce inflammation and restore joint. If you're having problems with bones and joints, try using Zextra Sure to be flexible within just 2 weeks. Live healthy every day with Zextra Sure colostrum.